All right, guys, what's up? Jamie, Shine Guys, we're back. We have a customer, we just did the detail on it. We're not gonna actually polish the whole car, but we're just gonna, they just wanted us just to take out this scratch. It's decently deep. So all I'm gonna do is a one step. So I have the Malco medium compound, SM Arnold pad, my DA. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my 3000 grit Trizac pad, DA, Dynabraid. And all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lightly hit over the scratch. Light pressure, just gonna be fast. Gotta be very careful with these edges, and even with this OEM paint. It's kind of, you don't really want to go really hard on it because it's the chance of you busting through. There's really very little clear coat, but as you can see, I just went I had some medium pressure. I kind of do it quite a bit, so I wouldn't just go right into full-fledged, power on there. But as you can see, the scratch is pretty much gone. Slightly be able to see it. So now I'm gonna just try my pad, put some compound on my pad, and I'm gonna massage it out. So also, even with after you're sanding, it's on OEM paint specifically, you don't really want to use a ton of, you don't want to ramp it up all the way to 6, which you can if you're really familiar with doing this all the time. So mainly what you want to do is you want to do like a quick pass like what I did, good pressure, not that really aggressive compound, and then go back. All right, voila. There's a little deeper than I thought. I didn't think it was gonna come out all the way, but I would say I got the scratch out probably 90%, 95%, maybe in certain angles. You might be able to see it. But for the most part, god damn, man. Anyways, that's money. Looks good. Maybe in slight angles you might be able to see it. But yeah, I've actually feathered out really well too, even with the light sanding on there. All right, anyways, guys, quick tip. Jamie, Shine Guys, Salt Lake City. Like, subscribe, follow. We're out here. If you're on the gram, talk some shit. Run your mouth. Let's see it. Let's go.